If you remember earlier this year, I showed you a guide on how to enable bubbly effect on GNOME desktop environment, and this is the guide. So installing this particular extension would allow you to enable this effect. We have to use this extension because GNOME uses different kind of desktop manager, so we cannot use Compiz to customize the window related effect. Some of you guys asked about the Genie effect, whether it is possible to enable on GNOME or not. So if you have asked this question around a week ago, then I would have said that it is not possible, because there is nothing that can be used to enable the Genie effect in GNOME. You have to use a desktop environment that support Compiz. Well, your bait has ended, because the same guy who developed bubbly effect for GNOME through an extension has also developed a Compass like magic lamp effect extension for GNOME. So you can install this extension to enable the Genie effect in your GNOME desktop environment, and it doesn't matter which distribution you are using because it is related to the GNOME. So what you can do, you can set up your distributions to have GNOME extension support, and for that I have already made a video and guide, so you can check it out and enable the extension support. After that you can open this website. I'll provide the link in the description, and you can click on this button over here. This is a toggle button. This will ask for your permission to install the extension, and click on the install, and it has installed the extension in your system. Now you're gonna see the effect. So if I minimize this window, you will see the Genie effect on GNOME, which is amazing. Can you see that? This is the Genie effect that is on Linux GNOME desktop environment. Of course, you can tweak out the speed and the curvature of the effect, and for that you can either use the tweak tool, or you can simply search for extension in your system, and you should see this little utility tool, and you will find the extension installed over here. This is Compiz like magic lamp. You can click on it. You can customize the timing. For example, it is around 400 millisecond. I'm going to set it to 150, and I'm going to change the curvature as well. So I'm going to set to around 5, and this one to 5 as well. So you can see it's faster and it looks different. So you can customize it according to your need, how you like the effect, how you want to customize it. I like it a bit faster, so I customize it according to that. But if you like the smoothness of it, then you can always change the speed of the effect. So set it to around 300 millisecond or something, and it will be smooth as hell. Can you see that? It is just amazing. So enable this extension in your system, and do not forget to thank this guy who has developed the extension. This guy is just amazing. So that's it about this guide. I hope you find it interesting. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not done already, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below, and I shall catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux.